The sun rises every day, not to remind us of time passing, but to gift us a new beginning. Each ray whispers, life is yours to create. हर सुबह का सूरज कहता है, जिंदगी एक नई राह देता है. उसकी हर किरण में छिपा है एक सपना, एक नई दिशा देता है. Sunrise and New Year both symbolize new beginnings. Just as the sunrise dispels darkness and fills the world with light, the new year washes away the past, offering a fresh start. Each brings hope, warmth, and the promise of endless possibilities, reminding us to embrace life's beauty and opportunities with renewed energy and optimism.
This is a good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many.
फूलों की मुस्कान में बसी है जिंदगानी, सर्द हवाओं संग आती नई कहानी. सर्दी का जादू और नए साल की रुत, खुशबू से महके हर कोई रुत. Like flowers that thrive in winter's grace, embrace the new year with a smiling face. Lose yourself in nature's gentle hue. Every petal whispers something new.
Excuses were two for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind on my face,
in winter's arms the flower bloom, a splash of joy in nature's room. Colors dance in the frosty air, a sign that life is bold and fair. The petals whisper a tale so sweet of fleeting time where seasons meet. Like the new year, they gently say, every end leads to a brighter day. Snow and blossoms, a curious pair, remind us to cherish moments rare. Through the cold their hues still shine, a lesson in hope so pure divine.
Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today,
Let's welcome the year with colors bright, like flowers basking in soft sunlight. Through winter's chill, let's find our way to bloom anew with each New Year's day.
time to borrow. Today
सर्दी की टन में रंग बिखेरते फूल संदेश देते जीवन है अनमोल। हर नई कली में छुपा एक आस, नया साल लाए खुशियों की बयार। Life is like this moment, sweet, fleeting, and worth celebrating. Cut the cake, share the joy, and cherish the laughter.
I ain't afraid of the dark. 'Cause once you let the light in, you won't see the beautiful stars shining down from afar. No, I ain't afraid of the dark. I don't mind the rain, bringing life back. We can breathe again when dealing with the pain. No, I don't mind the rain.
जिंदगी केक के टुकड़े जैसी है, मीठी, छोटी लेकिन खास है। इसे काटो, बांटो और जी भरकर हंसो। हर पल में छुपा एक नया एहसास है। A flowing river mirrors life itself, always moving, never stagnant. It teaches us to embrace change, let go of the past, and keep flowing forward, no matter the obstacles. Just as the river carves its path, so we can carve ours. Celebrate life like the river celebrates its journey, one ripple at a time. बहती हुई नदी जीवन का प्रतिबिंब है, हर पल चलती, कभी ठहरती नहीं। ये हमें सिखाती है कि परिवर्तन को अपनाओ, अतीत को जाने दो और हर बाधा को पार कर आगे बढ़ते रहो। जैसी नदी अपना रास्ता खुद बनाती है, वैसे ही हम भी अपनी राह बना सकते हैं। जिंदगी को ऐसे जियो जैसे नदी अपनी हर लहर के साथ अपने सफर का जश्न मनाती है। A flowing river teaches us resilience. It keeps moving, finding its path, shaping the world around it. The ripples it creates are like the moments we celebrate, small yet capable of spreading joy and meaning far beyond. Life is a journey, like the river. Let's keep flowing, creating waves of happiness as we go. बहती हुई नदी हमें सिखाती है कि रुकना नहीं, चलते रहना है। उसके हर लहर एक संदेश देती है, छोटी लेकिन दूर तक असर डालने वाली। जीवन भी ऐसा ही है, जैसे नदी बहती है, वैसे ही हर पल को जीते हुए अपनी खुशियों की लहरें बनाते चलो। सर्द हवाओं संग चमके चांदी के पत्ते, हर बूंद में छुपी है उम्मीद के लम्हे। टिटुर थी धरती पर चिटकी चांदनी, नए साल की आहट है कितनी सुहानी।
That lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife, and I can feel the sun on my skin, beginning to thaw from within. Today and not tomorrow, there's no.
The path ahead sparkles with grace as hope and joy find their place. Beneath the lights, let's pause and say, the new year begins with love today.
This morning has so clear a light as any to see the horizon and the far. Excuses were two for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind on my face, oh,
In the glow of twinkling lights, the lanes awaken to magical nights. Each shimmer whispers a silent cheer, welcoming dreams of a brand new year.
today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day.
प्रकृति के गीतों में बजते साज, हर पल नया हर पल खास। सर्दी की गोद में छिपा जो प्यार, नया साल लाया उम्मीदों का संसार।
Today,
सर्दियों में कड़ा ये महल गवाह है, हर मौसम हर युग का साक्षी रहा है। राजाओं का वैभव गुलामी का दर्द, नए साल के साथ फिर दिखेगा इसका गर्व।
today is a good day. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today is a good day. Today is a good day to live.
पत्थरों में छुपा है इतिहास का जादू, हर नए साल के साथ रचता है आदर्श नया। महल सिखाया हमें आडिग रहना, समय के साथ भी अपनी चमक रखना।
This is a good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife, and I can feel the sun.
Don't wanna sleep. Don't wanna sleep.
This royal palace, majestic and serene, has stood through the ebb and flow of countless generations. It has watched the glory of kingdoms rise, endured the shadows of colonial rule, and welcomed countless new years with an unyielding grace. A testament to time, it reminds us that resilience and beauty transcend the ages, inspiring us to shine anew with every season.
We know it's where we go. I grow wings and tell her goodbye.
This palace, a silent guardian of time, witnessing eras both harsh and sublime. Through winter's frost and summer's blaze, it stands as a beacon eternal in its gaze.
Sunflowers, high grass, and bare feet.
Carved in stone, its stories remain of royal splendor, joy, and pain. Through each new year, it softly sings a hymn of hope that history brings.
Nowadays, there's nothing I wouldn't do for you. Fire breath and open sky.
Beneath its arches, time stands still, yet forward it moves with iron will. It whispers to us, be strong, be true, for like the palace, life renews you.
It's not what we see, it's what we choose to be.
As lights adorn its ancient walls, a reminder echoes through its halls. The new year calls with dreams so bright, embrace it all like the palace's light.
It's not what we know, it's where we go. I grow wings and tell. Don't wanna sleep.
हर प्रकाश में छुपा एक वरदान है, देवताओं की कृपा का ये पहचान है। महल और मंदिर हमें सिखाते हैं यही, सच्चाई के पथ पर ईश्वर सदा संग है सही।
Don't wanna try to make up dreams just to be seen. I wanna lay here
रंग बिरंगी रोशनी का ये खेल हर नई सुबह के लिए बुनता है मेल। महल की भव्यता और मंदिर का मान, नववर्ष में हम बनाए नया जहान।
all we know. It's where we go. I grow wings and tell her goodbye.
In every glow, a blessing resides, a gift of faith the light provides. Temples and palaces, timeless and true, guide us forward with dreams anew.
Sunflowers, high grass, and bare feet.
Majestic walls and sacred halls stand with us as the new year calls. If truth is our compass, strong and bright, the deities walk with us through the light.
It's true.
Sadness comes when we forget the beauty around us. Like the sun setting, endings are inevitable, but they too have their colors, their lessons. जब सूरज ढलता है, दुख सा लगता है, पर हर अंत में एक सीख छुपा रहता है। डूबते सूरज के रंग हमें याद दिलाते हैं, जिंदगी का हर पल अनमोल बनाते हैं। As the sun sets, stars appear. Remember, every ending makes way for new light. Celebrate life in every moment like it is a sunrise. जहाँ सूरज डूबता है वहाँ तारे चमकते हैं। हर अंत एक नई शुरुआत के दरवाजे खोलता है। जिंदगी को ऐसे जियो जैसे हर पल एक सूर्योदय हो। जीवन के हर पल को जियो जैसे वो आखिरी हो। Rise, shine and cherish before the day sets. We are 28 states and 8 union territories, each with its own culture, language, and traditions. But as the sun rises and the world welcomes a new year, the essence of hope, happiness, and new beginnings unites us all. Just like our diverse lands, our heart beat in unison for a brighter future. Let us celebrate the beauty of unity, where every region, every culture, and every tradition blends into one vibrant spirit of joy and togetherness. Here is to a year full of harmony, prosperity, and shared happiness. Happy New Year to all.
I know that you are having a hard time right now.
Across 7 continents, in over 190 countries, we are all part of a shared journey on this beautiful planet. Our differences, shaped by culture, language, and heritage, make us unique. Yet the essence of humanity binds us together. As we step into the new year, let us embrace the vast diversity that spans the globe, remembering that every sunrise brings with it the promise of a fresh start. Let us unite in the pursuit of peace, love, and kindness as we build a world where understanding transcends borders. This year, may we all rise together, embracing our shared future and collective progress no matter the distance. Together, we move forward.
Everything is gonna be alright. I know that you feel all alone in this world, but you have to put your trust into us, and we will help you through, 'cause we only want what's best. What is